All right, this is a video to show you how to fix an Xbox One it's frozen. So the hard drive or whatever it is froze up on me. So I've already been through all the procedures trying to get it started back up, factory reset, all that stuff. So I'm gonna show you all the best way to fix these. Unplug everything first, nice and easy. Plug the HDMI, power cord. Be very careful with it. You need to go somewhere where it's nice and quiet, so I'm gonna take it outside. All right, so now that we're outside, I want you to be able to look it over well. Make sure there's no damage on it, no cracks. All the buttons are working. Everything looks good. And then you need to listen for it. If you don't hear any ticking or anything, but then just sit it up on its side and just hold it there for a second. Then basically, you just now you need to make sure that it's holding up. Yeah. So now it definitely sounds a lot better. I was a little worried about that, but it sounds much better now. Let's see if it works any better this time. Alright, that time I think we got it. So let's double check. Yeah. Much better that time. Okay, I think we're good to go on this one, but just to play it safe, just buy our fucking Xbox from the store instead of trying to get one from Facebook, because that's what I did, and it's a piece of junk. So I went and bought a brand new one from Walmart, so now we're good to go.